check and snack. Baby. Hey. Pussy. Oh shit. God damn it. Alright, well, she got out. Prissy got out. So, okay, just coming in to feed them, and I hear or see, I do not hear or see Shanti. Unusual. Usually she's howling for food at this point. Hey! Prissy? Prissy? And the last thing you guys all know is the snuggle time. So I feel sad tonight that no Prissy snuggle time. And Shanti, come on. Shanti, come on. Come on. I really don't want to do this. I really don't want to record this, but I want to record it. So she just showed up. Shanti just showed up. You saw. And her foot's hurt. I don't know what's wrong, but it's bent and there's a bump on it. I don't know, whatever. And she's limping bad, so her foot is hurt. Which I'm sad about. Come on, because Prissy isn't in. This is the third night, so I hope we're not back in a pattern like that. I'm sad. It's been so consistent, and now 3 nights. So come on, baby. I am checking in with a lot of sadness. Because I just went out, once again, looking for the Shanti girl, and I can't find her. So, a lot of sadness, a lot of sadness. Where's my Korean queen? Now look who I just found. Oh, 2 days. Every time. And I'm telling you something, I'm starting to feel really sad that she wasn't here, but every time I see her, pretty strong feelings. I love this girl so much. Oh, I know, baby, I know. So glad to have you back, baby. Oh my God. Tracy, I'm so happy to have you back. My heart rests easy tonight, baby, because I have not been resting easy since you've been gone. Love you so much, baby. I want to see one happy camper. That is me, having this girl back. Yeah, baby. We love you, baby. Okay. One last night. One last night. Baby girl, you. Ultimately, it just came down to the fact that I had to just surrender. You know, she's going to do what she wants to do. Unless I kept her a prisoner, and I chose not to do that. I just had to accept the fact that, you know, she knows where home is.